Hello, and welcome back, my friend. Are you ready to learn English in a fun and easy way? Ah, I thought so. But hey, before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? It really helps me keep making these lessons for you. So, what are we going to learn today? Today we'll talk about daily life, everyday routines like waking up, going to work, eating lunch, and relaxing at night. We'll learn some important grammar too, like the present simple tense and words we use to talk about our day. But don't worry, I'll explain everything step by step. And, to make it more fun, I'll tell you a little story, a simple story, about a man named Alex. Maybe you'll see yourself in him. Okay, let's begin. Alex is an ordinary man. He lives in a small apartment in the city. Every morning he wakes up at 7 o'clock. It's morning already? He says. He gets out of bed slowly and goes to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth. He washes his face. And then he makes coffee. He really loves coffee. Let's pause here for a second. Did you notice something? All the verbs I used end in s. Wakes, brushes, washes, makes. Why? Because Alex is he, third person singular. In English, when we talk about he, she, or it in the present simple, we add s to the verb. He wakes up. She eats breakfast. It rains a lot. Got it? Let's continue Alex's day. After drinking his coffee, Alex gets dressed. He puts on a blue shirt and black pants. Then, he leaves the house and walks to the bus stop. The bus is usually late. But today, it's on time. Alex gets on the bus. He says hello to the driver and finds a seat. Now, let's learn a few new words. Repeat after me, okay? Bus stop. Find a seat. On time. Good job. When Alex gets to work, he turns on his computer. He checks his email. He writes some reports. It's not very exciting. But that's life, right? We all have to work. Let's stop again to talk about grammar. We're still using the present simple. Why? Because these are habits, things we do every day. Every day Alex goes to work. Every day he checks his email. Now you try. Can you say something about your day? Maybe, I wake up at 8. I eat breakfast. I go to school. It's okay if it's not perfect. Just try. At 12:30, Alex eats lunch. He usually eats a sandwich and drinks water. After lunch, he talks to his coworkers. They laugh. They share stories. Sometimes they complain about the boss. But don't tell anyone that. You know how it is. In the afternoon, Alex finishes his work and goes home. On the way, he stops at a small park. Do you ever take a moment to just slow down? Alex sits on a bench and watches the trees. The fresh air helps him clear his mind. At 6:30, he gets home. He takes off his shoes and he sits on the couch. He is tired, but happy. A long day is over. Let's review, okay? Today we learned how to talk about daily routines using the present simple tense, when to add s to the verb, useful words like bus stop, on time, clear your mind, and more. And we followed a day in the life of our new friend, Alex. You did a great job today, but remember, learning English is like life. It happens a little every day, so practice a little every day, just like Alex. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and keep learning. Bye for now.